Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all have an amazing week so far. So I am going to share with you what I've got for a late Christmas present from my husband. And I've always wanted this, guys, so I just can't wait to share with you what I've got. So yes, right now I have a box and it is the Timberland boots, which I've always wanted. So this is my late Christmas gift from my husband, and guys, it is just amazing. I'm absolutely obsessed with it. Share with you this when I went to the shopping and I said, oh my god, I had to get it, but finally he has got me them, so I was like super happy. So yeah guys, let's dive right in. So yes, I got the new Timberland boots. So remember I shared with you when I was in the shopping centre and I was like, had to get it, have to get it. But yeah, he actually surprised me with this amazing Timberland boots, guys, and like as soon as I saw it I was like, oh my god, I just literally froze when I saw these, guys. But yeah, I'm going to share with you the boots. So let's unbox my Timberland boots. So guys, it is just amazing. Like guys, these colours are just like unreal. So here we go, guys. How amazing is these Timberland boots, guys? Like, you know, I had to get these as soon as I saw these at the shop, and yeah, I really couldn't stop thinking about it as soon as we left. But yeah guys, I'm super happy that the husband really got me these new Tims. So yeah, I have size 4, so it does vary in size. Usually I'm a size UK size 3, which is more like sandals, wedges. When it comes to boots, I'm size 4, UK size 4, and usually that's my size. But yeah guys, so this is originally £130 original price, but yeah, got it on sale, guys. As you know, the January sales, you gotta get it while you can. So yeah, I am super happy. As you can see, I'm just gonna give a bit of a close-up for you guys. How amazing. Like, you just love the texture and the suede. I'm actually obsessed with these. But yeah, it's got the Timberland logo. So yeah, as you see, got the logo here. And guys, this really does go well with skinny jeans. Yeah guys, there is a video of me here with all the outfits on, and guys, it is just amazing. Like, you can, this is definitely winter vibes, and especially over here now it's very snowing, so it definitely goes well. Nice parka jacket, blouse, and really does well with the leather jacket. As you know, I'm obsessed with my leather jacket, so it does go well with anything. Skinny jeans, blue skinny jeans, black skinny jeans. I do have a black skinny jeans, but I thought the blue really does stand out a little bit more. Guys, I am super obsessed. Like, I don't know why I'm doing this, guys. But yeah, I am super obsessed. And like, the platform, it's not too big, not too small. Like, it's not literally like when it comes up to here. Last time I did try some platforms and it was just like up to here, but this is just a perfect size, and it's super comfortable, super happy. Just the suede is just amazing, and you can really see like the real leather here, and like really, it is really great rubber soles, which is super important when it comes to my shoes. I really love high quality rubber soles, because it's just, I just feel like when you're walking you're not going to slip, especially when it's icy and snowing. These are such a perfect one for really going in the snow. So yeah guys, I am super happy. It's thanks to my husband. So yeah, really nice surprise gift, guys. But yeah, I just really wanted to share with you my unboxing of the new Timberlands. Definitely check out my blog, because there's a lot of pictures on there where I'm going to share with you a lot with my Tims. But yeah guys, I am super happy that I've got these from the husband for a bit late Christmas present. But yeah guys, I just wanted to jump on here and just to really share with you what I've got. I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.